Oh, good morning, my crochet friends this morning. I'm looking at blocking your work. I don't block very often, but if I've got a pattern like these stars, or possibly a granny square that's not looking as square as it should, blocking can really help. I tend to mainly use the spray, cold water spray type of blocking, and these are some now that I've put ready. These ones haven't been blocked and these ones have, so I'll just show you how I do that now. So all you need is, you can use an ironing board or anything that's got a little bit of thickness to it. I tend to use a cork board just because I've got one. And you need a bottle with some water in, just a spray bottle, and you're going to spray, I'll do this little star, spray him. Give him a nice little spray. You don't want it too soaked, but you want it nicely dampened. Yeah, so he's fairly dampened down. And then you lay him onto your corkboard and you put pins in him. Now you can use any kind of pins. I'm using my sewing pins. You can use corkboard pins, and you're just at the point where you want, you know, you can place it, you can move them around and place the star points exactly where you want them to be, and you pin that into place. Remember, it was curly to start with, wasn't it? And then you leave that to air dry, and that takes, well, I usually leave them overnight. Just leave them overnight. And if I come back now, this is one I did the other day. So if I take these off, you should have a nice flat star. See, so instead of the curly star that we had, we've got a nice flat star. There are little gadgets you can buy for granny squares with little pins on the corners, and you can measure them if you want to before you you pin them out, but I tend to just do it by eye.